In this video, I'm going to show you where the best place to put your registration and insurance is inside of your car. What I like to do is this. So when it happens and you get pulled over, you want to have all your stuff ready to go as quick as you can. It just makes the situation easier to deal with. It's also best to not have to dig around and reach in compartments under your seat. Try to rummage around through things to find your insurance and your registration. It'll just make the officers nervous. Because they don't know if you're reaching for a weapon or something. So what I like to do is I put it right here. So in almost every vehicle I've seen, except the convertibles, if you're staring at the steering wheel and you go about right here, in the lining, the roof lining, there's always a little crack right here. And that is where I will fold up the insurance and registration and just tuck it right there. So it's kind of barely peeking out. That way, if you need to, it's as easy as just reaching up. All right, that's simple. Thanks for watching.